This is an HP NV17 and has the infamous left hinge broken on the casing. It's actually not that infamous, but anyways, I did a Google search and I found actually this forum with multiple users having the left hinge becoming broken over time. So I didn't have much good news after reading this forum. I included it on my my YouTube post. So I'm gonna see what I can do to try to fix this problem. When I move it around, it has like plastic noises like that because there's stuff inside of it. This laptop was not dropped, so we'll see